British Columbia is a land where raw wilderness thrives, a place where culture is shaped by nature. No one knows this province better than its people. Those whose ancestors have known this land for millennia, and those who choose to call this place home. Communities and proud British Columbians know the beauty and wonder of BC's expansive, pristine nature. That richness is found in the grandeur of our mountains, the wild coastline of our ocean, the living traditions of our Indigenous cultures, and the treasures of our small towns and cities. Until 2020, tourism was one of the most significant drivers of economic success in BC, growing faster than the provincial economy as a whole, as it generated a continuous stream of revenue, employment, social, and cultural benefits. By working collaboratively and supporting each other's efforts, our province-wide tourism network helped to cultivate an industry worth $20.5 billion in 2018. Unfortunately, due to COVID-19, an industry poised for incredible growth over the next decade came to an abrupt halt and will now take time to recover. Today, British Columbians are pulling together. We're stepping up to do our part, and our actions are making a difference in the fight against COVID-19. However, we know that with great responsibility comes great sacrifices for communities, businesses, and residents across our province. Now, more than ever, we want British Columbians to understand how tourism has the power to enrich all of our lives by contributing to our collective social, cultural, and economic well-being. Working together, we can begin the recovery process to refuel this vital economic engine as we engage our communities and push forward when the time is right, and by continuing to follow the directives coming from BC's Provincial Health Officer. Our industry consists of long-standing relationships with government, Indigenous communities, destination marketing organizations, industry partners, tourism businesses, and residents, and we have enjoyed incredible collaboration over the years. We've seen extraordinary investment in strategic planning through a province-wide destination development program. Over 1,800 tourism decision-makers came together to create 10-year destination development plans for 19 planning areas across the province. Everything we have done together before the pandemic has set us up to recover stronger through the next decade and beyond. Together, we can catapult ourselves into a new future. We know we must give people compelling reasons to travel to and throughout British Columbia. Intentional destination development planning helps communities create those compelling experiences and will ensure travelers choose BC over other destinations in the future. BC is ripe with high potential and impactful tourism projects. Aligning investments in significant tourism products and experiences can provide many benefits. It creates jobs, attracts private investment to BC, reinvigorates rural economies, and enhances the quality of life for BC residents. Over the past year, significant work has happened throughout our tourism ecosystem. Together with the provincial government and other partners, direct funding and support has been made available to communities, tourism businesses, visitor centers, and regional and sector organizations. All of this is helping the tourism industry weather the COVID-19 pandemic. This support has included $105 million in dedicated relief grant funding from the provincial government for tourism businesses, with $5 million specifically targeted to Indigenous businesses. $10 million investment by the provincial government to help community destination marketing organizations continue operating and supporting their local tourism businesses. Another $53 million by the provincial government to create jobs and spur economic development for tourism businesses through investment in local and regional tourism infrastructure projects. Destination BC has invested more than $14.5 million in funding to enhance partner programs across our province. We've also worked with Destination Canada to develop a new program that resulted in an additional $6 million for cities, communities, and sector organizations. Together, we'll continue to share the beauty and inspiration of British Columbia and its people. And when the time is right, we'll welcome visitors back to our communities and tourism businesses across the supernatural province. Destination BC will be here to support BC's tourism industry along the road to renewal, guided by the directives of BC's Provincial Health Officer. Working with all of you, we can pull together to overcome the many challenges we have seen. And we will, once again, deliver sustainable social, cultural, environmental, and economic benefits for all British Columbians, safely and responsibly.